There are certain things a woman can say that should make you stop everything and seriously reconsider whether you should keep her in your life. Today, we're talking about 6 phrases that are not just red flags, they are warning sirens. If a woman tells you any of these things, don't argue, don't beg, and definitely don't try to prove your worth. Just walk away. You owe that to yourself as a man. Welcome back to the Magnet Code, where we break down what most men overlook in the name of love, validation, and approval. The truth is, too many men are walking around with the emotional version of handcuffs, chained to women who don't respect them, don't value them, and sometimes don't even like them. And here's the reality. Some women won't disrespect you immediately through actions. They start with words. A phrase here, a sentence there, and before you realize it, you're accepting things no man should tolerate. Why? Because you were too focused on making the relationship work, not appearing too sensitive, proving that you're a good guy. But the truth is simple. A woman who truly respects you will never speak to you in a way that threatens your dignity. Ignore that truth and you sign up for emotional confusion, mental chaos, spiritual decay. This video isn't about attacking women. It's about protecting men. It's about helping you recognize the warning signs before you invest your time, energy, and purpose. These phrases may sound subtle, sometimes even harmless, but they reveal a mindset you should never tolerate. If you're serious about becoming a stronger, smarter, and more respected man, pay close attention, because what she says will tell you everything you need to know. 1. I don't owe you anything. This is one of the most dangerous sentences a woman can say in a relationship. Now, let's be clear. No one is forced to do anything for someone else, but relationships are built on mutual contribution. We both give, we both care, we both invest. When a woman says, I don't owe you anything, she's revealing something deeper. She feels no responsibility toward you, no emotional accountability, no obligation to respect your effort. This phrase usually appears after she has already benefited from you. Attention, support, gifts, validation. But the moment you ask for balance, she responds with, I didn't ask you to do that. At that moment, you have a choice. You can keep investing in someone who sees your effort as optional, or you can recognize the truth. A woman who values you will appreciate your effort, not dismiss it. 2. That's just how I am. When a woman says, that's just how I am, it sounds honest, but in reality, it's often an excuse to avoid growth and accountability. This phrase is commonly used to justify disrespect, jealousy, poor communication, emotional immaturity. In a healthy relationship, growth is required. If someone refuses to grow, they are telling you something important. They expect you to adjust instead. That means you tolerate the behavior. You carry the emotional burden. You accept the disrespect. And that dynamic always ends with the man losing his self-respect. You don't need a perfect woman. You need a woman willing to grow. If growth is off the table, the relationship already has a ceiling. 3. I want a man who can handle me. At first, this sounds like a challenge, but what it often really means is, I want a man who will tolerate my bad behavior. Women who say this line often expect you to deal with mood swings, emotional tests, manipulation, unnecessary drama. And if you accept it, you're allowing her to create a toxic dynamic. Real strength isn't about handling someone. Real strength is about mutual respect and communication. A strong man doesn't tolerate chaos in the name of love. He knows when to step away. 4. You're too emotional. When a woman says you're too emotional, She's often trying to flip the situation. Instead of addressing the issue you raised, she attacks your reaction. Suddenly, the problem isn't her behavior, the problem becomes you expressing yourself. But expressing your standards isn't weakness, it's leadership. A man is allowed to set boundaries, express frustration, demand respect. Labeling that as emotional is often a way to avoid accountability. And if you fall into that trap, you begin questioning yourself every time you speak. Real masculinity is not silence, it's clarity. 5. You're lucky to have me. This sentence reveals arrogance disguised as confidence. A woman who constantly reminds you that you're lucky to have her is creating a power imbalance. She's positioning herself as the prize, and you're just the admirer. Healthy relationships don't work like that. Real partnerships are based on mutual value. You value her. She values you. If she genuinely believes she's above you, the relationship will always feel like a competition you can never win. And eventually, that turns into resentment. 6. You're insecure for thinking that. This phrase is often used as a manipulation tactic. You bring up a concern. Instead of addressing it, she labels you insecure. Now you're no longer discussing the problem. You're defending your masculinity. That's called gaslighting. It shifts the conversation away from her behavior and puts the blame on you. Wanting clarity, honesty, respect does not make you insecure. It makes you self-aware. If someone constantly dismisses your concerns this way, they're not interested in solving problems. They're interested in maintaining control. Conclusion. Words matter because they reveal mindset, and mindset determines behavior. If a woman consistently uses phrases like these, she's showing you something important. Believe her. A man of substance doesn't argue endlessly trying to prove his value. He recognizes disrespect early, and when necessary, he walks away. Because self-respect is more important than any relationship.